Wembley's Egg, baby story.
Wembley's Egg, a baby story by Big Guy Cartoon.
Part 3.
What do we do?
Well, you give him a bottle, like this.
Duh.
Here. Just... All done. Gabe said, now what do we do?
Now what do we do?
Now we burp him. Go like this. Go like this.
Burp. Ew!
No, Gabe, go like this. Gabe, go like this.
Burp.
Good job. Now we have to sing him a lullaby. Lullaby, lullaby, rock you in a tree.
Shh. The end. A Big Guy Cartoon.